Students, myself Patel Hiren Kumar, a lecturer in Mechanical Department from Vallabhbudhi Polytechnic. Today we learn fluid mechanics and hydraulic machine, which code is 3331903, and we are discussing hydraulic pumps and prime movers. Introduction. What is the pump? A pump may be defined as a device that is used for lifting the liquid from ground source to the upper top surface or from one place to another place. Pumps are operated by the mechanism that is rotary, reciprocating, and it consumes energy while performing mechanical work, which is moving fluid from one place to another place. Types of pump. There is a two types of pump. Rotodynamic pump. In rotodynamic pump, centrifugal pump and axial pump. And another type is positive displacement pump. In positive displacement pump, rotary pump, single rotor pump, for example, piston pump, vane pump, screw pump. Multiple rotor pump, for example, gear pump, lug pump. Reciprocating pump, diaphragm pump, for example, fluid operated pump, mechanically operated pump, piston plunger type of pump. Here we can see the figure of centrifugal pump, and main part of the centrifugal pump is strainer, foot valve, some suction pipe, impeller, casing, delivery pipe, delivery valve, etc. Here we discussing about main part of centrifugal pump, suction pipe with the foot valve and strainer, a pipe whose one end is connected to the inlet of the pump and another end dips into the water in a sump is known as a suction pipe. A foot valve is found at the end of pipeline in a suction lift application. They function as a check valve, but they also have a strainer affixed to their open end. Impeller. An impeller is a rotating component of a centrifugal pump which transfer energy from the motor that drives the pump to fluid being pumped by accelerating the fluid outward from the center of rotation. Here we can see in figure impeller, three types of impeller: open, semi and enclosed. Volute casing. It is a spiral type in which area of flow increases gradually. The increase in area of flow decreases the velocity of flow. Decreases in velocity increases pressure of water flowing through the casing. In figure there is a three types of casing are available. First is volute casing, second is vortex casing, and third is casing with guide blade. Vortex casing. If a circular chamber is introduced between the casing and impeller, then this is called as vortex casing. Due to introduction of circular chamber, eddy loss reduced considerably. Casing with guide blade. In this type of casing, impeller is surrounded by a number of guide blade which are act like diffuser, hence increase the pressure at outlet. One more thing is casing. Casing is known as a safety guard of pump. Working principle of centrifugal pump. The centrifugal pump acts as a reverse of an inward radial flow reaction turbine. This means that flow in centrifugal pump is in the radial outward direction. Therefore, the rise in pressure head is V square by 2G Thus, at the outlet of the impeller, where the radius is more, the rise in pressure head will be more and the liquid will be discharged at the outlet with a high pressure head. Due to this high pressure head, the liquid can be lifted to a high. Centrifugal pump are used in building for pumping the general water supply as a booster and for domestic water supply. Another application of centrifugal pump. The design of centrifugal pump makes them useful for pumping sewage and slurries. They are also used in fire protection system and for heating and cooling application. Beverage industry used to transfer juice, bottled water, etc. Dairy industry used to transfer dairy products such as milk, buttermilk, flavor milk, etc. Another application of centrifugal pump. Various industry, manufacturing industrial, chemical, pharmaceutical, production, aerospace, etc. for the purpose of cryogenic and refrigerant. Oil energy, pumping crude oil, slurry, mud used for refinery, power generation plant. Advantages of pump, as there is no drive seal, so there is no leakage in the pump. There are very less friction losses. The construction of the pump is simple, almost no noise, minimum wear as compared to other. Disadvantages of the pump: produce cavitations, corrosion, cannot be able to work at high speed. Thank you.